Hi everyone, good afternoon. Here I have downloaded the dataset, diabetes dataset, in which you can see uh, if I go to the Explore window. Uh, Here you can see there is some independent variable as well as some dependent variable. In this particular use case, we have to make a classification model which outcomes is either 1 or 0. So basically this is the case of binary classification in which 0 falls under non-diabetic condition and 1 falls under diabetic condition based on these medical histories. So let's see what I have done. I have here two notebook AutoML. This experiment is executed using two methods in which I have implemented AutoML. Here you can see I have loaded the dataset, created compute clusters, and here I have configured the AutoML settings and AutoML configures. Now I have run all these algorithms, and now here you can see run details, and here you can see best algorithm, best accuracy, which have 0.7130 for voting assemble. So this is the best model for in AutoML format. Here you can see the graph. Also here in this link you can explore the this same experiment in Azure Machine Learning Studio. Here I have tested printed best models, and now you can see I have deployed the model using Jupyter Notebook, and this is successful. After that I have tested the model using sample JSON file by putting all the independent variables, and here you can see for first input I am getting 1, that is non-diabetic, and for case 1 I am getting C. For case 1 I am you can see diabetic is the case, so result is 1 and 0. For first JSON result is 1 and second JSON result is 0. Now let's go to here. You can see by Hyperdrive I have run the best models, and you can see the results. Here you can see the whole experiment is completed, and this is matrix accuracy. Here the run details is completed. Now let's explore the both models in ML Azure dashboard. So here we have two models, AutoML and HD based model using Hyperdrive run. So here we have two endpoints as well. You can see let's explore one by one the two endpoints. The status, deployment status is healthy. Here we have REST endpoint and Swagger UI, by which you can test the model and document the deployment of the model. Here I have enabled application insight URL, and in Hyperdrive I have also deployed the diabetes model, and deployment is successful.